The nerve blockers are wearing off, and I am very much feeling it. Oof. It is definitely more painful today than it even was yesterday. My leg feels like a heavy rock, just a heavy rock, and it's in pain when I try to move it. So fortunately, I have help getting in and out of bed and to and from the bathroom, everything, like changing my panties, like literally holding my legs to scoot me onto the bed. And then once I'm in a position, I just stay still. So, oof, it's a trip. And if also I'm so active normally and independent that I'm 100% reliant on the support and care of someone else. And I'm grateful for sure. And it's also like, wow, for everything, for water, for anything, everything and anything on and off this bed. So humbling for sure. And I'm tired. Like my brain is tired, my body is tired. It's not easy to take a full breath, so I'm actively practicing deep breaths while I'm laying in bed. I've been praying and meditating and really grateful I got to eat something clean this morning. Like I had some spinach and blueberries and water. I had lemon water and coffee, yummy coffee and creamer. So that felt normal and felt good to consume that. And it also helps like combat the pain medication that tends to make you constipated. I'm eating clean and that feels really supportive and helpful. I was also thinking, if you don't know what a hip replacement is, I asked the doctor, like, walk me through the process, please. So what he did was so we did my right hip, a full hip replacement on the right side. So like you have your femur head and then you have your leg bone, right? Your femur bone. And your femur head goes inside your hip socket and then it moves around. Well, he cut off the femur head and then he put a metal piece in the center of my leg, in the center of my thigh bone, my femur bone, and then stuck a ceramic ball where my femur head used to be. And then inside my hip, he carved that out and stuck a plastic cup. So the ceramic ball sits inside the plastic cup in my hip, and then I have this long metal piece to the center of my leg. And my right leg is longer than my left, and I'll be doing my left as soon as I'm healed and well enough to, and then he'll just straighten out my legs because right now it's different, obviously. And yeah, I'm just being gentle and doing the best I can, honestly. Before I even had surgery, I visualized my body accepting the materials. And then I've been seeing my body filled with light and love and harmonized and my cells and healthy and replenished. And I always feel my Holy Spirit with me. I'm so grateful. And I prayed that God be with the surgeon and the team and work through their hands and bring me home successfully. And here I am. And so I'm grateful for that. And that's it. Just one day at a time, doing the best I can.